It's Saturday morning. Sunrise on the iceberg.
Kids are testing the hydraulics on the bike rack.
How many toes do a fish
And clearly they work.
How many wings do you have?
Well, bud, this is what happens. You keep messing around, you're gonna get nipped in the butt.
I didn't try to. Ah.
Don't move. Hey, don't move.
I like it that way.
This place is so pretty. Yes, welcome to my mental health space. This is my favorite place on earth. This is where I get my nails done from the sweetest gal, Nicole, and Olivia is getting her nails done for the first time. We're not doing acrylic, but we're going to do a builder gel, and I'll show you guys what that is. While she's getting her stuff out, I want to show what we're doing on Olivia's nails. What we're doing is called a builder gel. So my nails are acrylic, so they're very hard, and they can be as long as they want because they're really hard. The builder gel, it's a lot more soft. You can't make them very long, but it does like strengthen her natural nail. And then you can just put like gel polish on, which is a little stronger than regular polish, but like it's not, there's no like strength to it. Is that all right?
Accurate.
Here is Olivia's finished up close nails. She did pink with one green nail with a starfish and sand at the bottom. I just did a fill on mine, so it's just kind of this like ombre French tip type. Mine are acrylic. Olivia's are gel builder. Well, we're driving down to a formal event. Our clothes are in the back, and I still don't have my lashes on. Mascara, lipstick.
You're fine, honey.
Okay. Well, it is what it is. I have a physical sunblock here. I get really flushed easily, and so I always, and plus I don't want the sun on me, you know, aging. So I always use something to like block the sun, because like that's horrible, and it makes me blotchy and hot, and it's a toxic trait of mine. Do you want to know another toxic trait of mine? I'm constantly thinking that we're going to be broke. We put into retirement every month, every year. We put into savings every month, every year, and we have a very steady job. But because this job was so new when it first came out, I've been waiting for it to not be stable every day. And so I'm like, okay, if you could be like, how much do you think you could make as a handyman? And we're like figuring these numbers out, and it's like stressing me out because in my mind, that's like my reality. Why do I do that? I have a list on my phone of ways that we can make money.
That's good. That's
Because I'm just like, oh, I'm always worrying about it.
That's not a toxic trait.
All right, what are your guys' toxic traits? I want to hear them. I want to hear them down in the comments. Joel, do you have a toxic trait?
One that I've been like trying to curb for a long time.
Thinking you know everything.
What?
Thinking you know everything about everything. Is that what you're gonna say?
No.
Oh, no, I didn't think that's what you're gonna say either. Keep going. Keep going,
Whether I
sweetie.
like my wife, that's a toxic trait. I was kidding.
Your toxic trait is you love me no matter what.
That is a toxic trait. Now I forgot my toxic trait.
What a toxic trait.
No, it's kind of the same as Aunt Linda's. It's like I get excited for the event, and then when it's there, like the last day of it or whatever, I get a little depressed. Instead of just really just soaking it in and enjoying the moment, I'm like, well, we're done. May as well kiss it goodbye.
You've gotten so much better at that. You're cute. Oh, I thought I almost dropped my lash. Joel is dropping the trailer off behind us, and so now is my one chance to quickly get my lashes on. And I only have one little teeny piece left. And I'm waiting for the glue to dry, and Joel's on his way. The light's like perfect. I've got these like random hairs on my face though. All right. Done. Ooh. Excellent placement, Vaughn. Wow. That was good. You can come in. See, Joel is so smart because he's like, he knew. You tell me what you were thinking of why you didn't open that door.
I uked in the window, and what did I see? Bonnie putting eyelashes on her face for me. I looked through the window to see if she was doing it so that I wouldn't screw it up, because I want to have a good night.
Well, because if you shake the door,
messes it all up.
Yeah, I didn't want to cut my eye out with my tweezers. I just did a bad fiend.
Just did a bad thing. Where's that TikTok? Why'd that one disappear? Those were good ones.
All right, they're on. I need to fluff my hair and put some lipstick on. But we're gonna do dinner first if we've got time.
Oh, I do look sharp, bud. We made it to dinner, had skewered. We both used the women's restroom. It's a single stall only, so we're okay. And we did a little costume swap.
We made it, Toots. You know what to do.
Pull your dress down.
No, the liner. It's the liner, Toots. Oh, that's way too hard. Okay. Honey, you act like you've never done this before.
It's the shiny things.
You know better.
If Lady was ever representing my mood, it's now. Do you see how she's like, just, she don't even care if she's comfortable. She's just like, I don't feel like doing what I need to do today, that's for sure. I was gonna say I don't really want to do the dishes, but there's like hardly any dishes, that's fine. As I've been using things to get ready with, I don't want to forget anything, so I've just been like piling up the things that I want to bring with me to pack with, but that I can't pack yet because I still need it. I don't want to go through this box of stuff, like some of it's return, some of it's keep, like I have like a try-on thing for a brand that I've been like putting off and ignoring. I have laundry that I need to go start because I want to make sure the laundry's done before we go. I need to unpack my stuff from last night and I just don't want to. I have all of my stuff over here that I need to like put away before I can even start like packing. Joel is on his way home with the RV that we need to like deep clean. I don't feel like doing any of it. And I've been on this stupid curly journey and I'm like, do I even like my hair curly? I guess I don't have a choice. I'm just not feeling very cute lately and I'm just, anyway, I'm sure you guys feel the same way. You have like ups and downs and I'm just like, and I know it's because I'm eating terrible and I feel like I can't stop. It's amazing what a little refresh can do for your mood. I apologize for what I said about my hair. The curls are fine. In fact, I just did a video that shows you how I style my hair for 4 days without having to wash it. Watch it, wash it. So if you haven't seen it, I'll put a link. So if you haven't seen it, I'll put a link in the description below for you guys. And now I'm ready to tackle my chores. All right, lady, we all have to do our part. If we're gonna go on a road trip, you can't be stinky. She won't look at me. She wants me to open this door so bad. Are we gonna go get a haircut? Should we go get a haircut? Yes. Lady loves getting her haircut because they love her so much here. They love you so much. I think these groceries will get us started for our road trip. Now let me tell you what I've learned in the past is I'm always too short or don't have enough Band-Aids because my boys and the self-adhering tape stuff, they need that for their Band-Aids to go over their Band-Aids, Neosporin, and then poor little Boston. So I talked to the pharmacist and he said this was the strongest stuff you could get over the counter for like bug bites, even though it says it's for specifically poison ivy, it's for good for bug bites. And when I was checking out, the lady was like, my husband had the worst rash. And she's like, this was the only thing that helped. So there you go. If you need something for the itch, there you go. I got plenty of fruits and vegetables, and when I tell you that I stood in the hostess aisle and stared at the Mrs. Freshly's, I literally did. And I had this like inner debate the whole time. I was just repeating my mantra and like, it is more important to me to be healthy than to enjoy the snacks the whole trip. Because here's the thing, I know we're going to be going out to eat, we're going to be getting dessert. I don't need to like stockpile on the desserts. They will be special treats along the way. My gosh, it was a very Very difficult decision. New day, same outfit, am I right? This cupboard, I got halfway through and I was like, maybe I should show it. I'm cleaning out the freezer. These were empty ice cream containers that the kids had put back. Some empty popcorn stuff, mostly like empty just junk. And then to clean, okay, Cody Clark, this is the third time I'm saying, please don't eat the snacks that I'm about to put in the car for tomorrow.
Butter cashew.
Yep, and we're all starving. Here's the thing. Cleaning out a snack cupboard is a horrible idea when you're starving. Everyone is hungry, but I am not stopping until I'm at a certain point. And
I feel like top ramen from downstairs.
no, I am not eating top ramen.
Oh, top ramen.
When I was pregnant with Olivia,
Hey, where'd Boston is?
I ate top ramen every single night. I'm actually cleaning out my Christmas candy and I'm like, I'm not buying more candy if I've got Christmas candy that I still have around the house, because I don't like let anyone eat it. So we're bringing Christmas candy and that's what the kids can have as their like treats.
But that's like good Christmas candy.
Yeah, I'm not complaining.
So today is, whoa, sorry. Today is closing night.
break a leg. What? Truth be told, I've blacked out and I have no idea what is even in this vlog. So thanks for watching. It's probably a little bit of chaos. However, that's how I'm feeling. I'm feeling very chaotic, but that's okay because it's for a good cause. We'll see you in tomorrow's video. Bye guys. So this is what we're doing. It's called Doodle. Lincoln, please take that downstairs. All right, lady. Lady. That's not cute. Lady. Got too cocky. Lady. Too cocky. Lady. Lady.